Welcome to 9 to 5 Unchained, the channel dedicated to helping you grow your online business by providing informational videos. Today's video, I will be discussing the undiscovered content marketing strategy no one else is talking about. Let's start with a few basic fundamentals. What is content marketing? Content marketing is a strategic marketing strategy focused on generating and distributing valuable, important, and consistent content to attract and maintain a clearly defined audience and finally to drive profitable client actions. Content could be in the shape of articles, podcasts, videos, podcasts, and much more. Ideally, you need to adhere to marketing a couple of kinds of articles till you're seeing consistent outcomes together. This sounds all very in-depth, however, I've found a PLR package on over 100 online marketing content references you could use to begin your content journey today. That equates to more than 46 hours of accessible content, sufficient to maintain your articles flowing for 2 years. If you would like to learn more, click on the link below. Or stay and learn more. Meanwhile, let's roll the video on measured to generating valuable content. Steps to creating valuable content include: know the intent of creating a particular item of content. Do you wish to develop your brand for a business enterprise? Do you need to gain subscribers and leads? Would you wish to produce sales? Or do you like to associate with people? Understanding the purpose of your content usually means that you understand the desired result, and you'll create the articles in such a manner that will provide you that results. Identify who you're talking to with your articles. What do they need? How do you give a remedy to them? Finding the answers to those questions is vital so as to attract the ideal sort of visitors to your articles. Then it's possible to create relevant content which people are really thinking about and resonate with. If you are advertising to everybody, you are advertising to nobody. Planning and exploring what you're going to compose for your articles is quite helpful when you would like to generate engaging and quality content. What I'd like to do when organizing my posts would be to search similar articles on Google so I can comprehend the similarities and differences when writing my posts. In advertising, CTA is an education to the viewers to evoke an immediate response that's typically given in the conclusion of a bit of content. Adding a call to action on your articles will ensure the reader isn't left with nothing in the close of the content, and rather they could move ahead with a follow-up actions, which can be associated with the aim of your content. Producing quality articles is just one thing, but advertising it and getting people to notice it's just another thing. There are several diverse means of advertising your content. One method is to utilize search engine optimization. Search engine optimization. Search engine optimization is utilized to enhance your position in the search engine results, for example Google. Including specific key terms in your articles can allow you to rank better on the search engines when folks search these keywords. Content. The final phase is to evaluate that your content to comprehend which material is producing results and which is not. As you can see that there are a lot of factors when creating articles. These concerns are important if you'd like your articles to be read and also actions taken. If you're a newcomer at content creation, that this procedure might appear daunting and enable you to delay doing it. There's a solution to the issue within this undiscovered PLR package that's over 46 hours of articles. The item is named Guru at a box and it's been assembled by Cam Fats or Cameron. Inside this package you'll get over 100 online advertising content posts which were made via podcast. You can use this information as your own to assist you get started on your travels. There's a link below to get this content package. If you have enjoyed the video, I invite you to subscribe and smash that bell icon so you never miss another resource-driven video. And remember, take action today, and it is all about thinking differently.